Hello everyone, this is Srikanth, working as assistant professor from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. In this video, I want to discuss about one more LeetCode problem. That problem number is 151. So this is also a very simple problem. Logic also very simple. But if you know the idea, you can say like this is very simple. If you don't know the idea, so how will you do this problem? So small logic we have in this particular program, like problem. Now check it. Now what is the problem name means? Reverts words, not characters. So that is the aim. You need to reverse the words in given string. So we have one particular string. Okay, we need to reverse the words. We'll go to the problem statement now. Here, the given string is, we have one particular string. That string, we need to return what? Reverse the same order. Remember that. Same order with the words. For example, if suppose I have same I-A-R-E, okay, suppose this is my string. How many words we have? Single word. Single word means in general, if suppose reverse the string means we have E-A-R-E, am I right? Reverse the string means we have E-R-A-I. So I-A-R-E, reverse we have like a E-R-A-I. That is the character reverse, not word reverse. Remember this. Okay. So your problem statement he given, if suppose I have the string with n number of words, then words need to reverse. Suppose this is my string, right? The reverse the order of the words. Then the output is first will have, so this is your 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index, 3rd index, 4th index, 5th. So different places we have. So 5th one first, words. That is the first one. Next, the next one of next one order, next one the next one again reverse. So please concentrate once again. I am not reversing the character. You are not doing the reverse like S D R O W. I am not doing like word is reverse. Again E H T. See this. This is string reverse, but same string reverse with words. So you reverse the words in a string. That is the difference. Your aim is reverse the string. That is first one. But in the reverse the string, no need to reverse the characters. Word wise we need to reverse. Words wise we need to reverse. So we have the examples also. Let's check it now. The sky is blue. So this is your given string. The output is blue. Blue is first. Is second. Sky is the next. And the is the next. See this. Not characters reverse. Words reverse. Simple logic. Words need to reverse. Then same hello world hello. So the same like words are reverse. Now coming to this problem, what is the main idea? In general, same like suppose our list we have. List means 1, 4, 6, 7. This is my list. Now reverse means we have a simple logic like L : -1. Then what do you get? Like 7, 6, 4, 1. This is your particular output. If you have that same also string, if suppose my string suppose hello world, suppose hello world, then reverse means what? So same S, this is my string, then reverse means if you use the same logic, which logic we have in the list, same logic you want to use. Which logic? S : -1. Then what is your output? Your output is reverse of each characters. So that is D L R O W space then O H H E L E O L L E H. So this is your output using this logic. But this is wrong. So which logic is better? So what is the main drawback with this particular logic? So which thing I need to add for this? So you can use the same logic, but which is the main logic? Which is the main idea behind this particular question? Okay, we'll go with the code, then we'll discuss step by step. Now coming to code, so here I have the empty one. Now first thing I will consider our inputs. Same input I will consider. This is my input. Now I want to write a method. I want to write the method. So to method means def, right? Function name, any function name. Done. Then function, how many parameters are required? Single parameter, that is my string. Game is over. So I started my particular function. Done. Then what is the next? Next means what? So how will start? If suppose I want to return what? Colon minus 1. Return your s of colon minus 1. This is I want to return. Then just call the method and print it. Print your function of s. Now just save it in different place, any place, and save words rewards, any name. Okay, now just run it. See, so actually your input is this is your input. So the check it now. We have like a small logic. So the each characters space sky sky space is space blue. Okay, now same thing reverse EULB. So this is your blue is reverse now. So what is the logic there means? So which string we have? Suppose string is the sky. That is your string. String is reverse. Reverse means 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index, 3rd index, 4th. So 3rd index is your space 4, 5, 6. Now reverse means what? So we said colon minus 1. So we need to start with step with minus 1. Minus 1 means this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So I started first y, starting with y, k, s, space, e, h, d. This is the logic. Right? So if you use a colon, this is the logic. Then what I need to do? So here small idea is to convert into, if you convert this total string, if suppose this is my string, this is I want to convert into list. See this, if you convert into list, so suppose my list is with the okay, then sky, then is last one blue. If I convert into list, then which is 0th index? Using this in string we have 0th index is t, 1st index is h, 2nd index is e. But coming to here, 0th index is the, and 1st index sky, 2nd index is, 3rd index is blue. Then reverse means what? First minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Same colon minus 1. Same logic. If reverse means what? We have first 3rd index, so minus 1 index, minus 2 index, minus 3 index, and minus 4 index. Minus 1 index which we have blue, and minus 2 index is, then minus 3 index sky, then last index the will get the exact output. Done. So your aim is what now? Your aim is to convert your string to list. You convert string to list, that is enough. So how will you convert it? Like a string to list. So we have two things. If we have the list to string, remember this, very important logic. If you want to convert list to, so this is my list to string. String means we have dot, so string with empty string with join with that particular list value. So which list do we have? They can convert into particular logic. Now what is your aim? So here string to list, reverse string to list. List means what? Again I will convert into with characters we have. Split, I want to split the particular things. So what is the split means? Space, space, space. So you can use the simple logic s dot split. Split with space or with commas, with what we want. So space means no need to like declare that we have a space. Automatically consider it as a space. Now we'll check it. Now we'll check it step by step. Now before this, I want to go with what? Conversion. So your string is, suppose I want to go for the one more variable. I don't want to s, change my s. Now s1 equal to what? S dot split. You want to print the s1? Yes, print your s1. See this. So this is the logic. My aim is what? My aim is change your string to list. String to list we want to change. So we'll get the particular D is 1th index, sky is 2nd index, is next index, and blue is next index. That is the game. Now what's the next? So we're converting to that. Then if suppose I want to go for the S1 is reverse, right? So I want to go for the S1 is reverse. Then check it now. Yes. Now the sky is blue is your input. Now what is your output? Blue is sky the. So we have the reverse, but my output is not listed. Then what is your output? My output is in string. See this. Check the particular question. So he given input is string, output also string. So we have the blue is the sky. We get the answer, but in list. So we need to convert into what? String. Same thing. Same logic. We need to convert into list means yes. Guys, these two things are very important when you are dealing with string as well as list. So this is string to list, right? Now list to string. List to string means dot join. Two things, right? Now I want to convert into dot join. So I have string, empty string dot join. Done. Now observe that particular output. Now some error we have. What is that error? Just check it now. What is the error? If suppose if I run, yes, what is the error? Output is okay. Blue, the sky is blue, done. But blue is there, is there, sky is there, the is there. What about spaces? So we don't have spaces, but I require the space. Then just give the empty string with the space. Now run it. Yes. Now reverse your particular string. This is the logic. So just go step by step. Then we have some errors. So remove the errors. Which logic is better? Add those logics and get the answer. It's very simple, guys. Using like reverse same, which you know the reverse. I'm using the same reverse logic. This is my reverse logic. In the reverse logic, which is the best? So I added. What is your aim? Your aim is I done with one thing. First I split with string to list. So I converted into string to list. Then I done with reverse. This is nothing but reverse. Then after that again join with the list to string. Done. Example like in program output is done. So simple logic. We can write in single line also. Better convert into like split. That means you are converting to string to list. Then list to your particular output. So like reverse, then add into your string. So you are join. Dot join is one keyword and split is one more keyword. So simple logic. You can use this simple logic and get your particular output. Done. So if you any queries, if you have any queries, yeah guys, now this is about problem number 151. If any queries on this particular problem, otherwise you have any other logics, just don't forget to comment me. Just comment me and give the particular idea. So we'll discuss on that idea. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.